We're going to take a look now to see what our judicial system actually entitles and who are some of the main components of it. Let's first take a look at this old but beautiful courtroom. It's one of the oldest courtrooms in the building. Also, home to Veterans Court, something that I hold very dear to my heart, being a veteran myself. History is very alive in here. Now, let's go see one of the main components of what makes the justice system so important.
I'm here with Judge Richard Safety. Thank you, Judge, for taking time out of your day to be here with me.
Stay tuned for more of my interview with Judge Safety. Thank you.